Now is available at McCarthycars BMW 3 Series Auto Diesel 2011 metallic grey. Car has front fog lights, 18-inch M Sport alloy wheels. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Alcantara interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX chassis preparation. 4 electric window. Front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. It's got telephone, Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth audio. Push button to start, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, automatic transmission. It's got aux connection, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control. Thank you for watching.